demo of a bug adding a thread profile and having the body disappear. I am using 0.19.24.267 on Git, running on Mac OS X. This is not yet in a bug report, but I'm going to do something which does relate to a bug I put up. Um, let's see, the bug here is that if I go to part design and then thread profile, I get an error. Can't import name view provider. There is a pull request open. It's actually been approved, but it failed Travis, which fixes that. And in the meantime, what I need to do to make this work is start FreeCAD without any of my files open, start the draft toolkit, which sets up basically things. The bug relates to calling a feature in there which needed the GUI to be enabled. Okay, so now I'm going to load in my file. Let's see, this one. Okay, I'm going to toggle the active body and go over to thread profile. Okay, just to basically show you what I was doing, I have two hollow extruded tubes. They're not tubes, they're really uh, solid cylinders, and then subtractive cylinders, additive cylinders and subtractive cylinders. In order to get the if I basically add a thread profile now, I'm going to get an invalid body, perhaps because of how thin the tube is. So what I'm doing is putting a little 1mm cap on each of the sides. Okay, the right side actually works. It attaches. It looks fine. It's just what it should do. So I happen to hollow out that one. Okay, so now we're going to add a thread profile. And first thing I'm going to do is attach it to this cap. And I'm going to pick inertia 2.3, and it ends up in the right place. Okay, in the thread profile, I am going to set the diameter from the spreadsheet. Okay, that's the same values used over here. We're going to set the pitch to 2. Set the thread count to 4. Okay, that is set. I'm going to extrude the helix, or create the helix, and generate a shape binder. So this is the helix for the left one. There's the shape binder. Select both of those. I'm going to sweep the thread profile and make an external thread. That takes, I don't know, about 15 seconds, I think. So what's going to happen is it's going to look fine up here. It'll be translucent. I'll open up the dialog for the additive pipe. Haven't needed to change any of the settings in there. And when I press the OK button in additive pipe, the additive pipe will appear and the rest of my body will disappear. So here we've got, this is just what I want to be attached to here. Here is the dialog for the additive pipe. And now I've got that, which is there, and I've got that, or that. And that's the problem. I don't see any obvious errors. There is something about the inertia tensor as axis of symmetry, second and third axes of inertia are undefined. But that same thing happened on this side, I'm pretty sure. I am going to upload a copy of this file at this point, before these things have been added. Or maybe I'll just leave it like this. I'll upload this file, which will have this and the unfortunately disconnected body I wanted attached to. Thanks.